Cabinet Committee on Security balaklie tu Menteri Rang Ba'du kari India Narendra Modi kabala syong ye kajingelang kerke kajanmiet jong ka arpulai trik yayong arajar rapusan hanong ba Delhi kala syem santli kirai kabalong kumno baka India ru kala pan Pynibor ya ka Pakistan hadien kajingsha thombor hakileno kalashkar itaiba kabla poi hadu upot ba arpun riungut kibriu kin sha siat yap pahalgam hagano phaisngi jong ka arpo artarik uyayong arajar arpsan Hapoh pentep ikirai Vikram Misri Foreign Secretary ulong by ke Indus Waters Treaty 1960 in Wengno hadu bakari Pakistan kan Shimrai benum kershan yakile no shaba report jongka shushu kajingelang kal shim ikarai ban khangno ik integrated checkpost atari bad num shashu ikinong Pakistan ban wan she India lingbagi visa kasak SAARC Visa Exemption Schemes SVES bad ki badai na Pakistan ki badan India kin habban mi no Hapoh sapu pra kanta ki bor yada la ni shipai naval but air advisors ha Pakistan High Commissioner New Delhi lapan bana kum ki persona non grata but ki don shitayo ban mi na India ya ka bor ki High Commission in penhiar shakalai potli na kisan pusantli ki badan menta but in pentrikam no akashitarik chumang
The Cabinet Committee on Security met this evening under the chairmanship of the Honorable Prime Minister. The CCS was briefed in detail on the terrorist attack on 22nd April 2025 in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir, in which 25 Indians and one Nepali citizen were killed. A number of others sustained injuries. The CCS condemned the attack in the strongest terms and expressed its deepest condolences to the families of the victims and hoped for the early recovery of the injured. Strong expressions of support and solidarity have been received from many governments around the world, which have unequivocally condemned this terror attack. The CCS recorded its appreciation for such sentiments, which reflect zero tolerance for terrorism. In the briefing to the CCS, the cross-border linkages of the terrorist attack were brought out. It was noted that this attack came in the wake of the successful holding of the elections in the Union Territory and its steady progress towards economic growth and development. Recognizing the seriousness of this terrorist attack, the CCS decided upon the following measures. 1. The Indus Waters Treaty of 1960 will be held in abeyance with immediate effect until Pakistan credibly and irrevocably abjures its support for cross-border terrorism. 2. The integrated checkpost Atiar will be closed with immediate effect. Those who have crossed over with valid endorsements may return through that route before 1 May 2025. 3. Pakistani nationals will not be permitted to travel to India under the SAARC Visa Exemption Scheme visas. Any SVAS visas issued in the past to Pakistani nationals are deemed cancelled. Any Pakistani national currently in India under SVES visa has 48 hours to leave India. 4. The Defence, Military, Naval and Air Advisors in the Pakistani High Commission in New Delhi are declared persona non grata. They have a week to leave India. India will be withdrawing its own Defence, Navy and Air Advisors from the Indian High Commission in Islamabad. These posts in the respective High Commissions are deemed annulled. 5 support staff of the service advisors will also be withdrawn from both High Commissions. 5. The overall strength of the High Commissions will be brought down to 30 from the present 55 through further reductions to be effected by 1st May 2025. The CCS reviewed the overall security situation and directed all forces to maintain high vigil. It resolved that the perpetrators of this attack will be brought to justice and their sponsors held to account. As with the recent extradition of Tahawur Rana, India will be unrelenting in the pursuit of those who have committed acts of terror or conspired to make them possible.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.